Today we will make puranpoli recipe. Take 2 cup chana dal and soak in water for 5 hours. Now cook the chana dal till it is soft. Now mash the dal. You can also grind it in a mixer. Add jaggery. Heat on a medium flame till the jaggery is melted and mixed properly with the chana dal. Add cardamom essence and mix. In a bowl, make chapati dough. Make round balls as shown. Now roll a small sized chapati and add the stuffing to it. Pack the stuffing and make a round chapati. On a medium flame, fry the paratha. Apply little ghee on all sides. Fry the paratha from both sides. Puranpoli is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my videos.